everyone, Tim Schofield here, and Honor's been making competitive flagship phones for years now, and this one's no different, the Magic 7 Pro. This phone, of course, has a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is their flagship, plus a ton of AI baked in. Their new Magic OS 9, based on Android 15, even has AI deepfake built in, plus a ton of hardware that you look for in a flagship phone. Excited to check out their new Falcon camera system and a lot more. So we're gonna take a quick look what comes in this very slim box, and then of course get some hands-on with the new flagship from Honor, the Magic 7 Pro. Let's get started. Here's the Magic 7 Pro from Honor. Opening up the box, right away we get our phone. I'm gonna set this to the side for just a second, see what else we get. Very short unboxing, a SIM ejection tool, plus our USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable for charging. Right away, onto what you came to see. Here it is, the Magic 7 Pro from Honor. Not for sale. Anyone looking to buy this? Nah, I'm just kidding. It's clearly not for sale. Taking a close look at the hardware, we've got a SIM card slot, microphone, USB Type-C port, one of our speakers. Make note, very flat sides overall. We do have a power button, which has a little texture and a pop of color, plus volume rockers. And make note of that camera bump overall. And then up towards the top here, we've got a microphone plus an infrared sensor, IR blaster, another speaker as well. Along the left side, absolutely nothing. Down at the bottom, we've got some Honor branding in a different place than you'd regularly see it. However, there is our crazy camera system. This is their Matrix camera system. The main sensor at 50 megapixels with optical image stabilization. You have a 200 megapixel periscope telephoto lens, again with optical image stabilization. This is up to 3 times optical zoom, plus a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, which can take macro shots for you. We are all booted up and ready to go. I did notice there's a pre-installed screen protector. I'd recommend keeping that on. This is a 6.8-inch AMOLED display at a 2800 by 1280 screen resolution. Honor does a really good job with their displays, not only including the latest tech, but also protecting your eyes. This, of course, is a 120 hertz refresh rate. Jumping into settings and display and brightness, scrolling down, you'll see it's on dynamic, so it will switch depending on what content's shown. However, you can force it to 120 hertz or bump it down to save power at 60 hertz. I also would like to point out screen resolution is set to smart out of the box. You can force it at high or even all the way down to 960p if you, again, would like to say battery life. Back to what I was talking about though, Honor Eye Comfort Display. First of all, they have a circadian night display, so it will adjust depending on your body's rhythm. Also, defocus, eye care, natural tone, eye comfort for blue light filtering, and a 4320 hertz ultra high frequency PWM. Again, one of the few that really cares this much about your eye comfort. Also, while the sides are fairly flat, there still is a slight curve at the edge of the display all the way around. Kind of gives it a popping out sort of feel where you're looking at it and it seems like the screen's sitting on top of what you're holding. Also, Honor AI is everywhere. You can go into settings where they have AI suggestions, translation, magic text, air gestures, and more. You can even use your knuckle to circle something and it will give you a bunch of suggestions to share to different apps, save to gallery, add it to your notes. And of course, jumping into that camera app, just snapping some quick pictures to see that shutter speed seems to be very quick. Again, you have 0.5x for that ultra wide angle lens, and then you can start zooming in 3 times, 6 times, and then after that you can hold and go all the way up to a 100 times zoom. Their portrait mode uses AI to enhance the quality. You can turn that on and off if you don't want to use it. That's totally fine. And their Harcourt, vibrant, color, classic, just a few different modes to make sure you get the portrait shot you're looking for. When filming video, you can go all the way up to 4K 60 frames per second, and that's it. So no 8K recording. On this, going into more, you have a group of different options, and of course a pro mode, so you can completely customize your shot if you'd like to. You do get a 5,850 milliamp hour battery on top of that IP68 and IP69 rating. You do have a lot of useful shortcuts and gestures with your knuckles. Even 3 fingers down will take a screenshot. You can record your screen or even wake the screen up. Using AI, they can minimize sound leakage while you're on a call so no one around you can hear who's talking in your ear. And yes, of course, it has Google's Gemini built in as your assistant. With that Snapdragon 8 Elite, you can expect top-tier performance out of this phone. Anyways, that's it for me for now on the Honor Magic 7 Pro. Drop a comment, let me know what you think. Be sure to subscribe, a lot more content coming soon. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.